With Intuit Accountant Suite, you can add a payroll subscription for new and existing clients. Let's learn how to add a payroll subscription for a client you're billed for, and then add a payroll subscription to a subscription a client pays for. First, make sure you're signed in to your practice's account. If you're not already signed into your practice, select the Client Selector and Back to Practice. Select your client list and hover over the QB icon, or look at the Other Products tab to see which clients have a payroll subscription. To add payroll subscriptions for clients, select the gear, Subscriptions and Billing. You can add payroll subscriptions for accountant billed or client billed subscriptions. If you set up payroll for an accountant billed subscription, QuickBooks uses your billing information. Select the arrow next to a client name to see what they're subscribed to. This client doesn't have a payroll subscription. Let's sign them up for one. Select the Action drop-down menu and select Add Workforce. Next, choose a billing option. These options set who pays for the subscription and where the savings go. Select ProAdvisor Discount to bill the firm and take 30% off the subscription. Select Direct Discount to bill the client and pass that same 30% discount to them. Select Revenue Share to bill the client at full price and earn up to 30% revenue share for 12 months through the ProAdvisor Revenue Share program. For this example, we'll select Bill My Firm. Select the payroll subscription the client wants and confirm your choices. Confirm your billing information is correct, and then select Subscribe. You can set up their payroll right away or go do it later. Select the arrow next to the client's name again, and now they have a payroll subscription. You can change their subscriptions from the Action column. To see the total amount you're billed each month, select the Billing Details tab. From here you can see your number of clients, when QuickBooks charges you next, and your estimated monthly cost. In this section, you'll see a history of charges, and you can download each month's bill as a PDF or CSV file. If a client pays for their own QuickBooks subscriptions and they want to add payroll, select the Client Billed Subscriptions. Then select the Client Actions drop-down menu. Add Workforce. You'll see the same billing options. Add the payroll plan the client needs, and confirm. You can switch companies so that you can set up their payroll right away, or come back to it later. Now you're ready to set up payroll for your clients in Intuit Accountant Suite.